We're going to do a quick video on Bitcoin crypto news. We've got a daily chart here with three moving averages. The green is a 5-day, the red is a 20-day, and the blue is a 200-day moving average. As we can see, it's well known that Bitcoin's in a bear market and started roughly after a test that started way back here in the end of December, but after a bounce off test of the 200-day moving average in March, we entered into a really good bear market in crypto and respected the 20-day moving average all the way down here until May 22nd, went sideways a little bit and then continued on, again respecting the 20-day. And from about July 4th all the way through the summer, we're now at the end of August, we've just been going back and forth testing and not even really challenging this 17,600 rough bottom that we set back in June, around June 18th. So the way this market looks right now, we have significant space between the 200-day moving average, which is about 31,600 right now, and price, which today the bottom is about 19,540. So it's from a technical perspective, it's likely that we're going to get a rally in Bitcoin to about the 27.5 range sometime in September, probably the second or third week in September. However, this chart doesn't really, from a technical perspective, show that. We're below the 200-day moving average, we're below the 20-day moving average, we're below the 5-day moving average, and of course price is scraping along the bottom of its current cycle low. So it doesn't necessarily look that great from a fundamental perspective in terms of what's going on in the market and so forth. But from a technical perspective that ignores the moving averages, this stock should bump up to the 26, this Bitcoin should bump up to the 26, I'm looking at around in this range right here, this 26.5, 26.7 range sometime in September, probably within the first 2 weeks of September is my best guess. I don't see it coming up and making a complete test of the 200-day moving average that fast. That would probably take till the end of September to test the 200-day moving average, but it wouldn't surprise me at all if we get a rally in Bitcoin. Now, of course, it could tank. This is all my opinion only. It's all for entertainment purposes only, and it could easily tank. But from a technical perspective, that's what it looks like. It looks like this price is going to probably go down. But just from long experience, it wouldn't surprise me if we got a rally to the 26.5 level here as we move into September. So from the way this chart looks, it looks to me like we're going to test the June 18th lows of 17,622. However, from just a gut feel, I think we'll probably, maybe we'll do that first, maybe we'll make new lows. But I think at some point in September, probably no later than the second week in September, we're going to rally up here to 26.5 would be my guess. Again, all entertainment purposes only, all my opinion. But that's what I'm looking at right now with Bitcoin and crypto news. Let's go down and take a look and see what RBAM Research says today on this. RBAM Research puts out algorithmically generated prices. This Bitcoin's trading at 19,540 as the low. And it's got a short on there, so let's see what the high for the day is. The high for the day is 20,576. And so all of these, every one of them, if you just shorted at all these, you'd be making some money already today. Now, of course, these are for entertainment purposes only. You should never just look at them and short them. You have to use your own analysis. But these are all in the money on the shorts for entertainment purposes only today. We have 1-day hold, 2-day hold, 5-day hold, 10-day hold, and a 20-day hold. That means enter the market today, close out at the end of trading day. Worst case, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading days, or take your profit as soon as you get it. So for the 20-day, for example, if you were to short today, you would hold the worst case 20 days and close out at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you got it. So if you had shorted similar to this price based on your own analysis today, you could already take a profit and get out, and should, under the way these algorithms work and so forth, all the way down. You have a small profit here and a decent profit here. So that's the way these work. Keep in mind, they're all entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything but entertainment. So if you'd like to get these for entertainment purposes only, you get them at RBAM Research, absolutely no cost, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. We update crypto either buys or shorts Monday through Friday, no weekends, by 7 a.m. We also cover 190 stocks, long only, and longs and shorts, or longs or shorts for the major forex pairs. Crypto would be just BTC, and the most liquid futures. Again, you can get them all at rmanresearch.com with a link in the description below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, get some more crypto news, you can do that. If you have a comment to help us make these videos better, please leave it in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've heard and seen on here, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything else other than that. You must use your own analysis before you trade, not ours. And you definitely trade at your own risk. Keep in mind, everything you see or hear is our opinion only.